Hi, I'm Dr. Pete Townsend and welcome to Kenilworth Chiropractic Clinic's in-house training video series. So in this video, we're looking at an absolutely brilliant exercise for helping to relax off back spasm and just start to get those spinal joints moving. You can do them if you're just beginning your rehab program, or even if you just want to maintain your flexibility and your spine is pain-free and feeling good. So with the Cat-Camel exercise, or the cats and dogs stretches, your starting position is in the all fours position with your shoulders over your wrists and your hips over your knees. And then very simply, you're trying to lift your back as high as you can towards the ceiling. Hold it for a second and then all the way down again. Trying to get that nice curved shape. And you'll see that she now lifts her head when the back goes down and all the way up towards the ceiling. And she just lets her head drop down and really pushes through those shoulders as she goes up. So you take a second or two to do these. So if we watch this at normal speed, I stretch out, all the way down, and that's one repetition, and we're aiming to do 10 repetitions up and down of these. And then we're looking to try and do this in 3 sets. So you do 10, take a short break, another 10, short break, and a third set of 10. And you can do these multiple times a day. Ideally 3 times a day, but if you want to do them every hour or even more when your back's sore, that's absolutely fine. So that's the Cat-Camels videos.